For this task, you will listen to a passage, then respond to a question based on that listening. You will have 20 seconds to prepare and 60 seconds to speak. The task tests your ability to understand the listening passage and accurately express the information in your own words, while also explaining key points from what you've heard. Now, let's begin with a sample task.
Let's take a closer look at inflation and deflation, two key concepts in economics that relate to changes in the general price level of goods and services over time. Inflation occurs when prices rise, which effectively reduces the purchasing power of money. This situation can arise when the demand for goods and services exceeds their supply or when production costs increase. It's important to note that moderate inflation is often viewed as a sign of a healthy, growing economy. However, when inflation becomes high, it can lead to economic instability. High inflation makes it challenging for both consumers and businesses to plan for the future, as the value of money can fluctuate significantly. On the flip side, we have deflation, which refers to a decrease in the general price level of goods and services. At first glance, deflation might seem like a good thing, as it means that prices are falling. However, deflation can actually be harmful to the economy. When prices drop, consumers often delay their purchases, hoping that prices will fall even further. This behavior can slow down economic activity and lead to a vicious cycle of reduced spending and lower economic growth. Both inflation and deflation have significant impacts on an economy. They influence important factors such as interest rates, wages, and overall economic growth. Understanding these concepts is crucial for navigating the complexities of economic conditions and their effects on our daily lives.
In the lecture, the speaker explains inflation and deflation as important economic concepts. Inflation happens when prices of goods and services increase, which reduces the value of money. For example, when inflation is high, people can buy less with the same amount of money. It's usually caused by too much demand or higher production costs. On the other hand, deflation is the opposite. It's when prices decrease. This might seem good, but it's bad for the economy because people start delaying their purchases, thinking prices will fall even more. As a result, companies make less money and the economy slows down. Both inflation and deflation can have serious effects on a country's economy, like affecting interest rates and people's wages.